What gets sharper and sharper the more you use it? No mood, man. Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the question. So watch on the peeps, episode 4 and we are Linstead right now. What you mean by what we are doing Linstead again? Uno soon see the reason why. So watch on now. You don't know me can't wait for move. Me I smell some jerk seasoning, some jerk sauce and them thing there. You see me? See there right there, them have jerk chicken, them have jerk pork, them have fritters, fried chicken down there. So watch on the fried chicken and chips. So watch on the piece, big man think Linstead nice. You see me? I'm not talking about the scent, but the scent nice still, but I get what I say. You know the vibes. So watch on the piece. Me can't wait for moving us. So watch on now. Big up on yourself. Linstead do that. Episode 4. Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. So this video was shot on the 18th of March, you understand? But however, it was supposed to go up the 19th, but we had some audio problems. Somebody tell myself, say, yo, I'm not upload that video yet. However, I'm gonna put in a few clips same way where you can probably kinda hear, or probably like put a little subtitle up on the screen, is because Virgin, which is Kirky Vibes, I say, yo, drop the video same way, just edit it and make the people know, say, yo, there's a problem with the video. So, really sorry guys if you not watch it and the audio not as 100% as it's supposed to be. Cause you know Jnel comedy only put out like quality content, but for this content it did like really fun, as you guys can see. So I tell myself I'm gonna drop it same way. So I hope you guys don't cuss or nothing at all and just appreciate the content. You see me? I'm afraid of the cussing. You understand? So we are trying our best to like put out content, but we have a mic problem now, we have an audio problem, so we are trying source mic and stuff like that. So I want to say to you guys, sorry for the inconvenience. You know, please remember to like the video. If you reach right there, so just hit the like button card, the video got epic. You see me? And yeah, so just continue watching. Yeah, hit the like button. Alright my boss, so the first thing I want you to do, I just give me a name.
I made them call Cherry, you know?
Cherry?
Yeah.
What that mean?
What that mean? Yeah. Make people cheerful, man. Laugh and smile. Yeah, all when them sad, you see it.
Johnson.
Yes. Yeah, Evans, you know, sir.
Evans.
Brown.
So them say you can DJ.
Try.
Try a thing when I see what go on.
Linstead. Respect due to all the massive and crew. And Linstead when time may pass through. Watch ya. A man hold a girl and dance a tune or two. Stick to your woman, Mr. like crazy glue. Hold on tight, no let no breeze pass through. See a punk there over there, so try to take your girl from you. Run with some punk them nose full up a bogus, so Mr. respect due to all my massive and crew. Me and the people them watch on the furry. Can't take the girls them with dirty character. Go on like say they not nothing to live for. I walk and I run but like that number. Them type of girl and I think about the future, Mr. respect due to what.
Sean.
Well, my name is Marjorie Campbell. Alright, my name is J Sparkle. You don't know, so my name on Instagram is J Sparkle Music. I just released a song the other day. It's a Love Nuante remix. I don't know if I can sing for you side.
Yeah man, do that man.
You want to get well freaky. Oh yeah, I plant no more one feet feel, oh yeah. I'm a no say you like how I do it. You love it, I'm gonna go up on my knees. I'ma do it, I say, you don't know.
Yeah man, big up, you know.
Pet.
Joy.
Jnel IG.
Yeah. How you love?
White.
Java. What's something we get warmer, the more it cool?
Couldn't tell you. You better tell me first.
When something gets warm, more cool.
Yeah.
All them questions, so how are you still? Wow.
What's something I get warmer, the more it cool?
sun or water.
What gets warmer, the more it cools.
What gets warmer, more it gets cool. Oh boy, I forget back in my old time thing. What get warmer, the more it cool. What get warmer, make the more it cool.
What get warmer, the more it cool? It must be the breeze.
What get warmer, the more it cool.
Right, What get warmer, the more it cools.
BW band more run.
Yeah, man, white rum. More cool to get warmer. The porridge, man.
Me don't know.
Yes, mums, what get warmer, the more it cool.
Warmer, the more it cool.
Who the question them, I can't manage them, yeah, man. I have something hot and you put in the sun. It a cool, then it still a get warm. Because warm no mean fully hot. It below temperature.
So what you say?
It can be all porridge though. Boy, if you don't get
Alright, boss. I give the answer now. The answer AC or fan.
oh yes, cause when the motor spin, it a get hot and it a send out cool breeze. Yo, but you not give no full definition. Yo, I don't want chicken. I'm being chicken.
What's up, boss? Eh?
We can move on to the next question.
What's something that get warmer, the more it cool?
Some get warmer for more cool.
Yeah, what get warmer, the more it cool.
I man, that must have man the other man.
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's something that get warmer, the more it cool?
That sound like a girl pork.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh shit, my chest is going.
China, I want to know how you get the answer there.
Well, alright, cause more time I want to wash up and feel like slightly. Look at my warm.
You serious?
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it?
I don't know if I'm going to eat them.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it?
Like your lyrics are catty.
Knife, I am out.
Your mouth. Your mouth.
Why you say that?
Because people always a chat, so they say your mouth sharpy.
What again, look at me, I listen to
What gets sharper and sharper?
What gets sharper and sharper?
What get sharp and sharp and more you get.
I'm with knife.
I'm out.
Jesus Christ now.
Come use the sharp and sharp and sharp and sharp. More you get, boy, get sharp. Yeah. So I'm gonna use that.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it?
Like a countryman.
What gets sharper and sharper before you use it?
Remember, me is not a open environment, man, you know, so you have to see with me.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it?
No mood, man.
You say,
You mean, say, I get wicked and wicked. No, mood not get wicked and tougher. Yo, my brain wide down when them. I tell them, but not give no definition.
if If your uncle's sister, right, is not your auntie, then who is she to you?
Nothing.
No must law. In-law, you know.
In-law. If your uncle's sister, you know, is not your auntie, then who is she to you?
We look like nothing then.
Listen again, you know. If your uncle's sister is not your auntie, who is she to you?
My auntie.
If your uncle's sister is not your auntie, right, then what is she to you?
Friend.
If your uncle's sister, you know, is not your auntie, then who is she to you?
My mother. My uncle's sister.
If your uncle's sister is not your auntie, who is she to you?
She's nothing to me and my uncle's sister. Me have got to think about that one day.
Alright, what you say now?
Me I see him, me say too.
No, God!
Same thing.
Yeah?
Alright, so you want to try again or you want me to get the answer?
That means she not related by me. When my mother and my uncle related, then that means she wouldn't be nobody if she's that. She wouldn't be my family.
She wouldn't be a family?
No.
Sure.
She wouldn't be an outlaw. She wouldn't be an in-law.
Yeah, peeps, so thanks for watching the next episode of the questions. You don't know, for the intro also, the intro audio, the outro also, the outro audio they get messed up. You see me, so I put the outro right now. So thank you guys for watching, and for this video, more big up Kirky Vibes, which is Jamaica's worst gamer. Yeah, you can check out the channel link in the description. Probably now wonder why I call them Jamaica's worst gamer, but that's actually the name of the channel. You see me, actually lend me mic for use, but however, the mic end up feel at the same time, but at the end of the day we get some good shots. Same here with the same mic. So big up Kirky Vibes, which is Jamaica's worst gamer. Go subscribe to the channel below. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram at JNL_1. Is me, and make sure to follow Buhn Buhn behind the camera. Is me BUHN_reaction. And nobody tell me say when I make it this far down in the video and still not keep the like button yet. You know disappoint me, you know disappoint me. But however, thanks for watching, peeps. You done know your boy Jnel, and as usual, I'm out.